Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. You want to learn the simple, essential, and perfect verb to talk about your home? So this is how to learn it the easy way. Today's verb is habiter. Habiter, may H po yun, but we don't pronounce the ash. Okay, the ash. Habiter means to live or to reside somewhere. Okay, to live. Where do you live? Okay. Example. Nous habitons dans une belle maison près du parc. We live in a very nice house near the park. Okay. So, are you ready to learn? Okay, tara na. Let's go. On y va. To conjugate the verb habiter au présent. Le verbe habiter. As you can see, habiter para siyang habiter, no? But we should not pronounce it as habiter. It's habiter. Habiter kasi silent H po yung French, okay? On prononce pas le H. We don't pronounce the H, okay? In French po. Okay, did you get it? We don't pronounce the H in French. Okay? Now, so, to live, habiter means to live or to reside somewhere. Okay? To reside somewhere. Where you live. Where do you live? For example. Okay, but how do we conjugate this verb au présent? Present tense lang, no? Au présent. Okay? Conjugaison au présent. Okay, ano po yan? Donc so, you habit, hindi siya pwedeng you habit. So, we need to remove yung e sa je, and then we replace with apostrophe. Apostrophe po yan in French, okay? So, magiging siyang j'habite. Halimbawa, I live in Paris. J'habite dans 6e arrondissement. Halimbawa, j'habite dans 6e arrondissement à Paris. I live in the 6th arrondissement is the quartier, the place where I live. Okay? So, j'habite. Yun po yung j'habite. Okay? So, I live. Next, we have tu habites. Tu habites is where you live. Okay? Tu habites. On prononce pas le H. Okay? On prononce pas le H pour the verb habiter. Donc, where you live. Okay? And then, we have il habite. Il is he. He lives where? And then, elle habite. Elle habite. Ça veut dire, she lives there. And then, on habite. We live there. Okay? Where do you live? We live there. Okay? We live. And then we have nous habitons, okay? Nous habitons po is we live, okay? Same with on, okay? And then we have vous habitez, you live there. And then ils habitent, yung S ng ILS, yung S magiging Z. Ils habitent, yung ONT is E lang, hindi yung habitant, no? Ils habitent et elles habitent. Okay? So, je répète. J'habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite, on habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, ils habitent, elles habitent. Okay? Exemple. Nous habitons dans une belle maison au parc. We live in a beautiful house near the park. Okay? Okay, so, nous habitons yon because it's nous. Kapag nous is ONS. Kapag sa you is O ang dulo. Pag tu, OS ang dulo. Pag il, el, on, O ang dulo. Nous, ONS. Vous, UZ. Il, tsaka L is ONT. I hope it's clear po. Okay? So, Please don't forget to like, subscribe at i-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.